Hello, lovely people. What is up? Today we are solving a Geeks for Geeks problem balanced array. In the question, we are given an array of even size, and the task is to find a minimum value that can be added to an element so that the array becomes balanced. And by the question's definition, an array is balanced if the sum of the left half of the array is equal to the sum of the right half of the array. So one important thing that we have to note here is all the array will be having even number of elements so that we can separate it equally in half. So to find the answer, what we can do is we can subtract the left or the right sum from the other side sum. This will give us how much more do we need to add to compensate the difference between both the side sums. So how are we going to solve this? So first we compute the sum of the first half, then compute the sum of the second half, and then we return the absolute difference. Now let's take a look at the code. So first we define a variable n to store the length of the array, and then we define a variable mid that would calculate the middle value or the middle place in the given array. So we do n floor divided by 2, and then we calculate the left sum. We sum the array and slice it to mid, and right sum is sum of the array and slice it to mid. Left sum will be stopping at mid and right sum will be starting at mid. So and then we return the absolute difference between left sum and right sum. So that is the code. It's a pretty simple problem. We have solved it in one pass, so of n time. As you can see, the code is running in the most optimal time. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.